So welcome back guys to yet another interesting episode, and today what I have in front of me is a extremely detailed model from Tata. It's the larger version of the Tata Nano, and what I'm going to do here is going to unbox it in front of you, and we are going to have a look at it first hand. So here it goes. I have a cutter. The model is inside this particular box, and let's go ahead and let's unbox it. It's from Norev, as the smaller models from Tata. 1:18 scale size, and here we can see that it is mentioned that it is official merchandise from Tata Motors. So yeah, it's kind of a huge box, if you can see. So let's go and open it up now.